Who put my truck on the curb by the trash can? Somebody playing with me right now, messing with my emotions. YouTube, what's going on today? I hope you guys are having a good holiday period. Today is the day after Christmas. I hope you guys all had a glorious Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope you guys had a good time with your family. And if not, then I hope you just had a good, holiday period with your family and loved ones, okay? I'm back, another video. Today's video is actually going to be me talking about my tires on my truck. Do a little quick review on that. Let you guys know my experience running these type of tires. So far, I've had them for about 6, maybe 7 months. Put a close to 15, anywhere from, I think it's like 15 to 20,000 miles on them. And I want to let you guys know how they're holding up, because I know a lot of you guys are committed to certain tire brands like Toyo and maybe Firestone, and I can't think of the other one. Toyo and it's the other one. It's real similar to it. A lot of y'all are actually going to new brands too, like Fury. But I figured I'd show you guys how my tires are doing and give you my personal experience on how they're running. But before that, I got to show you guys something. I got an awesome care package from my AMSOIL dealer, Adrian, which some of you might be familiar with because you've gone to him for business. But let me show y'all what he got me, okay? All right, so Adrian went ahead and sent me like the ultimate care package, okay? Check this out. We got 3 gallons and 1 quart of AMSOIL synthetic 15W40 motor oil, okay? Now, first off the bat, Adrian, thank you for sending this stuff out to me. I really appreciate it. And you guys, I'm telling you, man, if you need AMSOIL products, you want an affordable deal on AMSOIL products, please hit him up. I've been dealing with him and doing business with him since earlier this year, man. And I tell you, he's never let me down. You get 2-day shipping, usually 2 to 3 day shippings, and they have multiple locations throughout the country, so it gets to you pretty quick. Send me out some oil, so we are going to be changing the oil. Let me know when you guys want to see this video. Me personally, I'm thinking about doing this New Year's, so like January 1st or the 2nd, breaking the New Year's on the Cummins with some fresh oil. Also hooked it up with a filter. Got that 25,000 mile synthetic filter. This is good for 25,000 miles as long as you do oil testing. I'm not sure when, but sometime soon, or not soon, but do the oil testing before you go 25K on it. But these filters are good. There's another black one, so we got that. This is just an extra bottle of oil, and then he sent out the juice. Oh my goodness, look at this, AMSOIL diesel all-in-one. Now, you guys that have been with the channel for a while, I run this stuff, and I did a review on it. I did a miles per gallon review on it way back in the summer. But this stuff is awesome right here. The diesel all-in-one is so nice because I run this during the winter, I run this during the summer. The throttle is a little bit better. I get a little bit better response, and the fuel doesn't burn out as fast, okay? This stuff right here, it does it all. It cleans, lubricates, anti-gel, and you get that cetane boost, okay? So this is some good stuff. If you guys would like, I can do another mile per gallon review on this product. I can fill up my truck's actually on E right now, so I can fill up the truck with no additive in it. I'll drive it and then add this, and then we'll see if we notice a difference. So if you guys want to see that type of video, please comment down below. Let me know that you want to see that, and also please like this video, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and talk about what I just told y'all we were going to talk about, okay? The tires on the Cummins, all right? Now, please excuse the mess. She is dirty. I told myself I'm not going to bother washing her until deer season is over, so I'm actually going out this afternoon into a tree. But, yeah, so let's get this. So, just when I thought I was recording for the last 10 minutes, my camera was not recording. So, whatever. Okay, so with the review, check it out. I'm running a -44 20 by 12 Vision Rocker rims, right? I got 12 and a half. I got 35 by 12 and a half all-terrains. They're made by AMP. If you guys never heard of them, they're AMP ATs. What are they, like terrain grippers? Yeah, AMP AT terrain grippers. You can't see it because it's upside down, but that's what I run. If you guys remember when I put these tires on back in the summer, the meat on them was thick as shit, and it still is. All right, I've put probably close to between 15 and 20,000 miles on these tires, and I have zero complaints with them. Ride quality is good, meaning on the road, on the highway, there's no drone noise, there's no whining from the tires and stuff. They're super quiet. I do run them at about a 65 or I run them at, in the fronts are at 65, and then I think I run the rears at 60. Okay, these have a max 80 psi hold. I have no need for running them at 80 psi just because you wear them faster and the ride quality is shittier. So I run them at 65 in the front, 60s in the rear, and they wear completely even. Now these are my front tires. You don't see any dips in them. It's all smooth. I'm pretty sure if I put a ruler on it, it would look bomb as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So these tires are wearing really good. I've rotated them about 2 times since I've had them. And the thing is with these tires is that these are good quality tires for under $1,000. Okay, I think I bought my rims and tires together, but I think these tires alone are like $850, maybe $950. You can get 35 by 12.5 all-terrain tires, which is a really screaming good deal. These are made in like Taiwan or something, but they're really good tires. Let's see if I can find that wear block, the little wear right here. Okay, so I don't know how good y'all can see it down in there. Actually, that's a shitty one. Let me see. Okay, so whatever, we'll stick with this one. So, and I lost it. So right here. Alright, so you can see the wear block down there. The wear block is good. It's pretty much just a visual indicator to show you how much it's wearing, but it's still a good job. So I'm pretty impressed with these tires for the price you pay for them. You know what I'm saying? So what happens is I like to do, like I said, my rotations. I try to do them about every 5 to 8,000 miles ish. Sometimes I'll do it sooner, sometimes I do it a little later, but the ultimate key when it comes to running these oversized mud tires and ATs is rotation intervals. Okay, you got to rotate them in tire pressure. You got to keep tire pressure up. Okay, if you're running too hard, what's going to happen is you're going to notice in the middle if you're running them too hard, the outsides are going to ball faster. If you're running them too soft, the inside is going to ball faster. Okay, so what happens is you got to make sure you find that good tire pressure PSI, and then go ahead and keep it there. And then also you need to adjust when you rotate the tires. You need to adjust the pressures in them, because now you're bringing the back ones to the front, and then these are going to the back. So you got to, if there's a 5-10 psi differential, you need to make sure you compensate that when you put them in the new positions. You know what I'm saying? So that way you get the best life out of these. All-terrain tires, mind you, 35-inch all-terrain tires for under $1,000. You cannot get a better deal with these. Okay, not saying these are the best riding, the best tires in the world. All I'm saying is that if for under a G, these are pretty good. Okay, I've ran Dicks before, which were really good tires, except you're gonna pay for them. I've ran Federal Garages, which are probably the cheapest mud terrains on this planet, next to like Mastercraft or whatever they're called. Those were complete shits. But these tires right here, I'm extremely impressed with, and when I say I have zero complaints, I really have zero complaints. Obviously you can tell I've taken this truck off-roading multiple times. I have zero complaints with getting stuck. It has good grip, good traction. Honestly, your tire doesn't really determine that. What determines that is my neighbor rolling out in his 6'4". So what really determines that is going to be, he got the same tires like me. That 6'4" flow. He just put them tires on his truck. He got some TIS 4s with some 33 amp terrains, and his shit looks clean as fuck. But back to this. I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, when it comes to getting stuck in the mud, honestly, it's not really, the tires make a portion of it, but what it really comes down to is the driver. Like, you just gotta know how to handle in mud and off-road situations, because depending on, it just depends on it. Seriously, it does. Same thing with 4x4. There's a lot of spots you can get at in two-wheel drive that you'd be surprised at. It just depends on the driver. So I did get stuck actually in this once so far with these tires. I got stuck. It was completely my fault, because I thought the road was hard and it's kind of like sloped like this in a sense, and I thought it was like firm, and I got into it, and no shit, my tires went like halfway. Like my tires went, mud was up to here, like it was covering the bottom portion of the barrel, and it just sunk in, and that was it. But I did a little trick, got the 2x4 block, put it under the wheels, put it in four low, and she just rolled right out. So nothing crazy. But yeah, these tires are wearing awesome, man. I swear. Amp Terrain. If you guys want a link to I don't even know if they have a website. I'm sure they do, but if you guys want a link to like their products or whatever, let me know. I'll put it in the comment box or the description box in the YouTube video. Just give you guys a little teaser. I'm doing some work right now to where these tie rods, drag link, all that crap is not going to be here for much longer. So make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned, hit that bell notification so that way you know, when it happens, you guys know about it. Also, show you guys something. Well, actually, I already popped the hood, so I'll show you something else. So we're doing some work in the engine bay, right? So right now I'm in the process of getting that thing out. It's time for her to go, okay? She's done her purpose and she's served me well, and she's still a good turbo, but it's time to get a little more advanced, if you know what I'm saying, okay? Also, one more thing and then I'm done, I swear. Alright, I'm having an issue right now. So my coolant is leaking. It's an obvious leak from the front side of the block, okay? Or the front side of the engine, whatever. You can't even see in there, but she is pretty low right now. I haven't drove her in like 2 days, so, and the coolant reservoir tank is empty as well. You can see it way down there. Actually, it's kind of high. Actually, it's good, but she is low. No, she does not have a head gasket leak. No, there's not coolant mixing in the oil. Trust me, that's like one of the basic things you would check if you're burning coolant or losing coolant. It's a blatant, obvious, clear as day leak. Actually, perfect. So right there, that right there is coolant, okay? When it dripped, I don't know. Probably when I finished driving it the other day, but it is leaking coolant. And I can't find a leak to save my damn life, man. I mean, I checked on top of the water pump down there and it's dry. I know there is a weep hole on the water pump, but it's not supposed to be weeping like that. It's just supposed to be like pretty much residual shit. But yeah, it's leaking. She's leaking pretty consistent right now. So what I'm probably gonna end up having to do is take out the whole front section, radiator, or probably the shroud and air cleaner, all that stuff. Take it all out. And find out where this leak is coming from exactly. Now, I consider this the Cummins mystery leak because I went on YouTube and I read some forums and people had the same issue, but everybody's issue was different, meaning like where it was leaking from. Some people said it was a clamp, some people said it was just the hose at the end of it was rotten, so they cut it, reattached it. I don't know. If you guys have ever had this issue before where you had the mystery leak in the front, please let me know. I will do a video once I find the leak and stuff like that, so that way you guys know for future reference. But for the love of life, man, I can't find it, man. So if you guys have any info and details that I don't, what the fuck? I must have left that in there when I filled up my washer tank. Anyways, you guys are probably like, this dude's a fucking shitty owner. Anyways, that's gonna do it, you guys. Hopefully this review for the tires was good for you guys. I fucking love them. Please, man, for the price you pay, you can't beat it. Let me turn the camera. I am one of those people where like I won't run and chase after like the popular name brand stuff. I do a lot of research and I'm not afraid to spend money on a new product or something that is priced lower, as long as all of the prerequisites are met. You know what I'm saying? I could have easily gotten Toyos. I could have easily gotten Dicks, Goodyears, whatever brands are out there, man. You guys know them. I could easily got those tires, but doing research, which is key, I talk to people, I do a lot of reading, and these tires had a good review, and I was like, you know what? I'll take a chance on it. You know, worst case scenario, I'll just ditch them and get some good tires. But honestly, I'm extremely impressed with these tires, and they are really good. Extremely good, actually, for the size tire and what you are using them for, which I mainly 95%, 90% of the time is street driving for me. So these are definitely good tires. I mean, my son's able to ride in the truck, and you know, he falls asleep, and I've taken this truck to Florida twice on road trips and stuff, Georgia. So these are good tires. You get your money's worth out of them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But until next time, you guys, okay, hopefully y'all had a good Christmas, like I said, or good holidays. I hope you guys have a good New Year's. Please comment down below and let me know how you feel about me doing the oil change on New Year's, so like January 1st, January 2nd, how you feel about me doing the video for the oil change. Also, make sure you comment below if you want me to do another mile per gallon video on the AMSOIL products for the AMSOIL all-in-one, because you guys know I'm an AMSOIL fanboy. I'm gonna be real with you. For what you get in terms of quality, which is second to none, and I know some of y'all would be like, oh, Schaefer's is better and XYZ, but whatever. I stick with AMSOIL. She's been excellent in my truck. I noticed instantly when I changed the oil from, I was running Rotella and I went to AMSOIL synthetic 5W40. She was, I thought I heard something. She was, her miles per gallon went up probably maybe like half a mile a gallon. Chatter noise and the valve train was definitely went down. It wasn't clacking and clattering as much. It was definitely smoother. So I'm not just saying this to like fluff shit up. It's a real unbiased, my experience with it. Everybody's experience is going to be different, but that is my experience with the truck. You know what I'm saying? So until next time. Oh, also, if you know about the mystery leak in the front, it's so on the bottom of the engine where the oil pan is towards the front passenger side corner. It's coming down from that area. Can't find out where though. But if you know what I'm talking about from what I showed you, please comment down below and let me know what you think. I will do a video on that, like I said earlier. All right. So until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe, peace out. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you're watching all of my videos. And also on another note, I think I have either over 100 or really close to 100 videos. Please check out my old videos, because a lot of times you guys ask me questions. I'm not being mean or nothing, but just being real. A lot of times y'all ask me questions and it's like, bro, I got a video like right here. All right, so check out check out my videos. All you gotta do is hit videos and the list populates. Check out my videos. I got tons of videos explaining everything. Okay, we've done a lot in the comments. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna go inside. Y'all take it easy, be safe, peace out, and I'll see y'all next.